I'm putting our new door handles on the Z today. You can see our old one completely fell off. We've just been going handleless. And we're going from silver to a custom color we did at the shop. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. It's got a lot of blue in it, so we're gonna see how it turns out on the car, but I'm excited. On the Eco BC, just gotta get the door skins taken off and we'll get into this. All right, we've got the door handles on the Z. Way better than the silver. And the best part, they work. All right, guys, it's the next day. Let's see what the handles look like in a little bit of natural light. I know she's dirty, but not too bad. So much better than the silver. Boom, opens up perfect. The only downside is we did break that clip, and it was actually the inside door handle. Like, it was like a plastic clip that was on it. I don't know. So I gotta order another clip for the another door handle for the inside. But this works just fine right now. So yeah, fuck yeah. Shit's looking good.